Hi, welcome to this demo of Stockping. First, let me explain to you what the goal of this application. It's an inventory alerting tool for Shopify merchants. The moment any product drops below a predefined threshold set by the merchant, Stockping sends an alert to email, Slack, or mobile push notification based on the settings. It runs entirely in the background, watching users' inventory and notify the merchant and his team the moment something goes below the threshold. Let me walk you through each feature now. Now heading to settings, this is where merchant decide what triggers an alert and how often. I'm setting the default threshold to 10 units. Now any product that drops below 10 unit will trigger an alert. Next important feature is repeat alerts. I will set it to 8 hours. What it means, it prevents alert spam. If stock goes below the defined threshold, the merchant gets an alert. That is the normal behavior. But if we set this, after getting an alert for 8 hours, we will not get another alert for the same product. We can add multiple email addresses, up to 5. The first one we already set from the store owner email, and user can add up to 5 email of that team. This is useful for teams which has a warehouse manager, operation lead, whoever needs to act on stock issues. Stockping supports 3 notification channels. One is email, another one is Slack, and another one is mobile push notification. So for Slack integration, we have a detailed guide how you can do it. And after you put your Slack webhook URL here, you can send a test message, and you see it arrives here immediately. And for mobile push notification, when you click here, we show QR codes for the user to install it, one open source application called NTFY to the user's phone, and they will get alerts as a push notification on their phone using this application. This is completely free to use and no separate account is required for this. Now let's go to product page. So Stockping auto monitors every active products in the store. Here you can see all the products with their current stock level. You can see the variants and set threshold based on variant also. And you can filter by different criterias, like also based on stock. You can see only the low stock products. User can also override default threshold per product. So if some of your bestseller or some product like this needs a higher threshold, you can set it higher, and from that point on, if stock goes below 25 for this specific product, we will alert you. Now heading to the location section. Stockping supports multi-location inventory. You can see all the location for the stores. Each location can have its own threshold. The downtown store is a small storefront, let's say, and we set it threshold for 3, and the outlet maybe carries more stock, so we put 15 there. So different location, different rules. Now heading to the alerts tab. Here you see all the alerts that triggered by our application. Every low stock incidents is tracked here. The open tab shows all the incidents and products that drop below threshold and haven't been restocked yet. You can resolve or snooze the alert, and we also have quick guide explaining all the feature here. In the history tab, you can see the full alert log, entries showing every notification sent, when and on which channel. You can filter by them and also by the date range. Now maybe we can show by triggering an live alert, let's say. So let's just change stock level for a specific application to something below threshold. So it should trigger an alert in our application. So let's just refresh and see. You see alert is updated, and now in the open tab we already have a notification for this one. So now back to the dashboard. Everything is live. If you want to install this app in your demo store, you can go to this website, put your Shopify store name, and it will install it on your store. So yeah, that is Stockping. This app alerts the team wherever they are, email, Slack, or mobile. The moment stock drops below a certain point, the right people know that is this app's goal. Thanks for watching.